which is basically a 3-bed terrace house. So I'll show you around the reception room first. So yeah, you can even see there's a fan that actually works. Oh crap. It's off now. Yeah. So if you kind of follow me onto the dining room now. So this is the dining room, essentially with another fan above there. And then I'll lead you on to the kitchen. Yep, so gas cooker, that's pretty much it, and the plumbing for, for a washing machine. And you can put a fridge and that stuff there. Those are storage units. This is a patio door, or rather French door kind of thing, so it's got 2 openings. Take you upstairs in a minute, but there's something a little extra on these houses. Ready? It's basically a cellar. It's quite decent space. It's like about almost 4 meters by 4 meters with 2 separate rooms. One here. Ceiling height is about 2 meters high. You can see inside here as well. Yeah. So electric meters and stuff all here. Consumer unit. Assuming this is the older consumer unit. Fuse boards down here. And if you follow me back into the other part, the gas meter and all that is there as well, and a few other things that were left behind, some goodies which I'll go through later on. Yep. If you follow me up. So this. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Zoom out and show them. So yeah, this is quite a modern fireplace. I don't even know much about it, but you can tell it's probably costs a little bit of money. So yeah, here's upstairs. So I'm not sure if this is the master bedroom, but it's a large bedroom. So yeah. Another fan. Follows the other bedroom. Then this is probably the smallest out of all of them. Yeah. Then this is just the bathroom. You've got to step down. Yeah. Maybe if you come here actually and show them the boiler isn't that in there. Basically that's what the boiler is.
And the flue's being ducted outwards. And then that's it. So here's like the electric shower and all that.
Is that? There. Cool. Then there's actually another floor, which has got full ceiling height. Sorry about the mess, but there you go. So we kind of migrated here just to do some work. So it's quite a large room. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4.5 meters in length, probably about 3.5 meters in width. And behind this wall there's storage as well. And the roof obviously drops down. So above us is basically on the loft. I'll show you the loft actually. Just above there. Stand there and show. Up. Yeah, so there's actually a full loft up there as well. So technically, including the cellar, it's 5 floors altogether. And another thing.
Wow.
Get this latch off. Yeah, so I don't know how this complies with building regs, but it's there. It doesn't have to be used. Cool. That's pretty much it.